Oh crap, there's cop cars after.
You should have put it on clear.
It was clear earlier.
Nah, it was clear. Okay, somebody seriously get a helicopter.
Yeah, seriously, please get a helicopter.
And help us. I think I can get a rocket launcher. You know what you're gonna do with your brother, black man. It's not strange at all.
Hey, Kabasa! Hey, Kabasa! Hey, Kabasa, what's going on? Hey, Kabasa, what's going on? Hey, Kabasa, what's going on? Hey, Kabasa, what's going on?
I killed a family.
Let me in, let me in. Let me in. Hold on, hold on.
Are you in?
There we go. Go, 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 go. God damn it, Flip Rush.
Oh crap. Where the heck did this guy come from? Mine, yeah.
The car's on fire, what do I do?
Then he just shrugs his shoulders.
What do I do? The car's on fire.
Yep.
What do I do?
Oh well.
What do I do? Oh!
What happened? What happened?
I don't know.
We're on him.
What do you mean you don't know?
Something just happened. I was on fire and I blew up. I don't know.
Yes.
Why did Fade leave? Why?
He wants to punch us.
So now it's just us. This is how it started. This is how it began.
Yeah, well, it started.
And I just want to get
Hey, oh.
No, you don't. You don't want to kiss
The
her.
drivers in this city
You
are
just want to
really
rape her.
irresponsible.
It's because you ran right out in front of them. You're irresponsible.
I'm not irresponsible. The light was red.
No it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No it wasn't.
You really want to have this conversation? I will smack
Guys,
you.
can you get in?
No it wasn't.
I don't want to be alone.
You don't
Ah!
want to be alone? Okay, I'll get in. Yay!
Why am I alone?
Right here. Where? I'm just getting out.
In this fast-paced life, sometimes you just have to live 24/7. All action, non-stop, on the go, with rapid passion. Mas Fuego. Get the fire. Mas Fuego is an entirely new concept in beverage technology. It's a drink that is full of caffeine that gives you a run and makes you anxious.
Oh, it makes my boyfriend crazy. He's like a Latin bull, even though he's a Chinese. Tells me to kiss it.
That's Latin passion. Mas Fuego.
No! No!
Testosterone energy drink.
You're making this only harder for yourself.
Where do
No.
people for straight talk about their health?
Get that assault rifle, false man.
I haven't.
From Jeremy St. Ives.
No, do you know what?
No women are allowed.
That's right.
The men's room with Baz and Jeremy.
Oh!
Just
You just realized.
Yeah, I saw you drop it. I'm like, shit. Are you gonna blow up the car?
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I can? Yeah. Like how?
Never mind. I might just not tell you. I just want to tell you.
Isn't it my business not to tell you?
Oh, their radio's racist.
Which one?
There's a radio station on Vladivostok.
What?
I'm listening to that right now.
I know, right?
What's the meaning?
It's French.
That's what I'm listening to.
No, the channel is supposed to be... The channel is Russian, but they're playing French music. And that's racist.
How's that racist?
I don't know. Yeah.
This is Russian music.
It's boring. That's all that really matters.
Oh, really? I killed, yes, really. We just didn't die from it. Oh, it was the cop that killed me.
Get in!
Dinner done.
Yep. Ouch!
How did I die? Friendly fire's off, buddy. No, no. Okay, so the car explodes. Flip brush lives, and I die. Friendly fire's off, buddy. I didn't use a grenade.
It's because it didn't count as your car. Did it? Does anybody here take steroids?
Yeah.
You said yes before I even said it all the way.
Hey, you guys. We should play Halo.
He doesn't have it. This is a big mix-up.
I only have Halo 4.
I have both.
Any of you, do you have Captain Miner?
No.
Captain Miner's EO.
No.
And you.
Do you have Left Dead 2?
No. Yeah, Black Ops.
No. Do you have Dead Island?
No.
We're gonna live it up with some funk, living it up.
Dead City 2?
No.
Bioshock 2?
No.
Overlord 2?
No.
Crackdown 2?